What is going on, cylinder junkies? This morning we are in the S-197. Got a bit of a fun thing we're going to be doing today. I'm about to head 2 hours away and meet up with a guy that I met on Marketplace, and he is currently looking for a OEM S-197 2014 race red bumper. You know why? The reason is because he has a GT500 bumper that can be found on American Muscle for give or take $1,200 unpainted. Within that, me and him were amongst talks, and we talked about full-on swapping. So I will be going to his house. I don't know how much I can get for recording purposes, but I plan on going there. We're gonna swap them, and then I'm gonna drive back. And I know we got Summerfest going on right now in Fayetteville, North Carolina, so I'm gonna see if I can't make it to that. If not, I am for sure going to be at Mustang Week. So I got a hotel room there, and we're gonna make that happen. Like I said, don't know how much. It's early, it's bright and early in the morning. Don't know how much content I'll be able to get while I'm there, but I will 100% get some content once it's on. I'm hoping everything goes well. I'm hoping it looks good, but until then, let's get on the road. All right, what's going on, ladies and gentlemen? So I'm currently headed back, as you can see, and we got about an hour and 42 minutes left to get back to Fayetteville, North Carolina. I got the bumper put on. It needs a little bit of polishing and stuff. It looks like the previous owner may have, ooh, look at that. It looks like the previous owner may have ran over some tar of some sort in the road. So I think when I get back, either today or tomorrow, I'm gonna go ahead and polish it and give it a good decon. And then you can tell the color difference slightly. It's supposed to be race red, but I think all the decontaminants is kind of making it a little bit darker than what it's supposed to be. So I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like before I polish it. And then you just keep tabs on my Instagram and you'll get to see me polishing it for the most part. But yep, other than that, check it out. All right guys, so we have officially made it home. I have full on showered. I apologize for not getting much content while I was there. I really didn't want to be videoing guys' house and whatnot, so I just figured I would make this quick little video just to show an update with the Red Reaper. So without further ado, here is the reveal. And by the way, one more thing. We're going to be going to Summerfest here in Fayetteville. I'm going to take the Red Reaper on the drag strip, see all the cars there, and get some GoPro footage. And I'll see if I can't tweak the GoPro footage to show more, or figure out what I need to do in order to make the content a little bit better for you guys. But here she is. Tell me what you guys think. So as you guys can see, we got the GT500 bumper. I personally like it. The color match isn't the best. I might end up getting it repainted later, but at nighttime, dude, it looks sick. These light up, and I hate that I had to get rid of the fog lights, but it is what it is. Anyways, these light up as halogens, and then you see down here we got turn-in signals, and they run a light all the way through the bottom with 3 LEDs. If we get up close, you can see the LEDs. And you know, I just think it gives it more of an aggressive feature, 100%. The only downside to this bumper is, one, it is very hard to install, and two, it doesn't allow you to keep your undercarriage right underneath the bumper. So I'm hoping that I don't have a lot of engine bay fallout as far as like dirtiness and stuff. But other than that, I really think for a used bumper, and for me to be able to trade this out outright for the OEM, even though we just installed the other one, I think we got a bang for our buck, to be honest. This thing brand new goes $1,300 unpainted. It's the MP concept bumper, and I think 100% it goes a lot better with the car than any other bumper, in my opinion. Now, the only thing we need to do is eventually get some side skirts running to the front, and then get a diffuser on the back to just complete the whole stance. I've had somebody tell me to get rid of the white stripe now that I've got this bumper. As you can see, it's kind of got like an S-550 feel a little bit. I don't know if I'm gonna do that. I don't know if I'm gonna change the bumper to just straight, or the stripe to just straight black, or if I'm going to fully delete it and just, you know, get these painted and kind of do the chrome delete and get the black badges. I don't know. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments section. But for now, this is what the Red Reaper looks like. As I said before, I've got a tag coming in the mail, custom plate done, and I'm hoping it'll get here before Mustang week, but I don't know if that's gonna be a thing. Like I said, stay tuned for the content. I've got some content on the Summerfest tonight coming at you guys with the drag strip, and we're gonna see what this bad girl runs. I'm really excited to figure that out. Anywho, I hope you guys liked the video. If you haven't, please subscribe. If you're seeing this on Instagram, please hit a like button, and then let's get some more following on Instagram. Also, before I leave you guys, you can see again, we got the Kia Forte GT right here. Got a splitter coming in the mail for it, so we're gonna do a splitter, or a chin splitter on the bottom, and we've got another goodie that we're gonna do, but I'm not gonna reveal it fully. The build, the tint is freaking phenomenal on this thing. I think it really set the car off, but we've got some content coming on that. And I'm also gonna try to get more into doing Harley Davidson content as well on my Harley, but stay tuned for that. But for now, we're kind of focusing on the Red Reaper over here. So, yep, without further ado, you guys take it easy. Peace.